Hi, I'm Mike of Photos by Mike here in sunny San Diego, California. And today I'm doing a follow-up review on the Saramonic UW10 series of audio equipment. So stick with me. Okay, so let's get started. The Saramonic UwMic 10 set comes in many combinations. I originally bought the microphone, handheld microphone, and the receiver set, which is the HU10 microphone and the RX10 receiver. This receiver is really good. It's kind of like a Saramonic. It's a little bit heavier. It's a really nice brand. It doesn't have the in-depth quality that the Sennheiser G3 has, but for your money, this is the bang. For this complete set, I paid $299. I think right now it's down to $278 or $276 for just the transmitter, handheld transmitter, and the receiver. So the receiver has a clip on the back, and it has a little cold shoe adapter that slides into the clip to put it on to my camera. It also has a 3.5 millimeter plug set, stereo plug set, that comes from this port right here and goes into the camera. Now it also has a headphone monitoring system that you can plug your headphones directly into so that you can hear what's going on if your camera or DSLR camera doesn't have the headphone out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this up and I'm going to switch it out on my camera so you can get the quality of each of the products that I'm going to be showing you today. So I'll be with you. Okay, so now I'm recording using the handheld mic, and the handheld mic has a really nice mid-tone sound, but you have to hold it really close to your mouth to get good sound on the picture quality. I'm not really that impressed with the mic, other than it works very fine and you don't get many interruptions. It's working on the 600 bandwidth. It has 96 channels, so you could set it up, and it's very easy to set up. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up the Lavalier mic, which I have connected to my lapel right here, and I'm going to plug it into the Lavalier mic transmitter, and I'm going to actually install the battery so you can see me do that also. So let me get going with the Lavalier mic, and we'll see how that goes. First of all, the mic has a compartment right here, which is the battery compartment. It's kind of flimsy, and it's not really done that well, but it takes two AA batteries, just like the microphone and the Xlr transmitter take. So we just put them in. These instructions were made for men. They just show pictures. And then we'll plug in the microphone to here. Now, even though they're on different channels, one's on group A and the other one's on group B, when you hold them together as you're transmitting, the sound downgrades. So if you're going to use one, turn the other one off first. So I'm going to go ahead and shut off the mic, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the Lavalier mic. Okay, and now I should be on the Lavalier mic. Lavalier mic is really nice. It's really sturdy. It's a heavy-duty case, much like the transmitter itself. It has a wire clip on the back, and it also shows your transmission frequencies and everything on the back. I have two of these so that if I want to do a side-by-side interview, I can Lavalier mic both people up. They're pretty good because I bought as I said, I bought the handheld mic and the receiver, and I paid about $300 for them. And then I went back and I bought this for $129. So I just added on to the kit. Now there's another part that I'm using, which is the actual Xlr transmitter, and it costs 140 bucks for itself, but it'll actually snap on to any standard XLR mic that you have. So I'm gonna set the transmitter down for this, and I have a $15 XLR mic that I bought from Fry's Electronics or any electronics store, and I'm gonna rotate it in, slide it into place until it clicks, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the microphone on while I power it on. It takes 2 AA batteries, and you push it on and power it on. And once it's powered on, you turn the mic on, and I'll put this up to me, and I'll turn off my lavalier mic for right now. So the lavalier mic is off, and I'm using the handheld. Now, as you can see, this little $15 mic with this adapter, XLR adapter, gives me a way better sound than the actual microphone that comes in the kit. So I'm really liking this. Plus, it's easier to change channels on this, so I can actually have 2 of these blocks on 2 different microphones, and I could use it for side-by-side interview, or I could hook somebody up, lavalier mic interview, side-by-side. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn back on my lavalier mic, and I'm gonna do a range test. I'm gonna walk across the field, and I'm gonna stop at certain points. It's said that this microphone set is supposed to be good for 200 to 300 yards. We'll see how it goes. So we'll do a little quick test using the lavalier mic, and I'll cut this one off. Okay, so here we go. I'm checking myself out right here. This is about 25 feet from the camera. I'm checking myself out here. This is maybe 50 feet away from the camera. Now I'm checking myself out here. This is about maybe 150 feet away from the camera. Now you get a better quality sound if your receiver is facing the camera, from what I'm told. So we'll see how it goes. Let me go even further back. I know right now I can barely see the camera, so I know I've got to be like maybe 100 feet away, maybe even farther. But I just want to see where I cut out at. Okay, so hopefully I haven't cut out yet, and hopefully you can see me way back here. So I'll walk up just a little bit closer. Okay, well, that's all I have for you today. As usual, I'd like for you to like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a website, which is www.photosbymikeca.com. That's www.photosbymikeca.com. You can also get in contact with me through email at mike@photosbymikeca.com. I'm Mike, making life stand still, one photo at a time. I'll catch you guys later. Take it easy.